Hello educators, welcome back to this another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to install ProQyz plugin on your WordPress website. Now, if you have not purchased or subscribed for the plan, you can go to our website spacetree.org, go to ProQyz option and there click on buy now. Here you can choose from different plans, click on buy now, fill in your email address and other details and subscribe for the plan. For the subscription, we only need email address. Now, after you subscribe for the plan, go to the website app.proqyz.com and here enter your billing email address. Now make sure you have selected create an account option. If you already have an account, you can also select the sign in option. And here enter your billing email address and create the password of your choice and click on sign up with email. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the account settings and here click on domains. In the domains area, click on add domain. Now here enter the domain name on which you want to install the plugin. So I'm going to use my subdomain. You can also use it on your primary domain. Make sure you remove all the slashes and http or www and just keep the domain or the subdomain. If you want to install on your primary domain, you can simply keep it like IELTS.com, or if you want to use it on your subdomain, then you can create a subdomain, install WordPress on it and enter the address here and then click on verify. The next step is to download the plugin. So click on download here and it will download the zip file for you. Once downloaded, go to your WordPress website and hover over your website name and go to plugins area. Here click on add plugin. Click on upload plugin. Select the file which we have downloaded and click on install now. The plugin has been uploaded. Now click on activate plugin. The plugin has been activated on our website. Now the next step is to copy the unique domain key. For that, you can click here and it will automatically take you to this page, or you can manually go to license key option under the ProQyz. Copy your domain key and paste it in the key area and finally click on connect. It will verify your domain, then click on save changes. Now the last step is to generate the license key. Click on generate license key and from there select the plan which you have purchased and click on generate license. Now copy the license key and paste it in the license key area and click on save changes. That's it. The plugin has been activated. Now you can create course page, dashboard page, do the login settings. For that, I have added the videos in the description, or you can visit our ProQyz tutorial playlist and learn about the next steps. Here you can see or learn about creating course page, creating courses, uploading these tests, or integrating IELTS tests into your existing website. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, do let us know, or you can send us the support ticket or let us know in the comments. I will see you in the next video.